Hi, I am Taro Naruka, and in this video I am going to describe you about herbal slimming capsules help you to reduce fat deposits fast and easy. At present, you can find an amazing range of slimming pills in online stores which boasts weight loss function. As per studies, it is found that herbal slimming capsules help you to reduce fat deposits fast and easy. Selecting the apt cure from hundreds of products may be a difficult task for many people. Best Slimming Pill generally functions by treating the actual cause of obesity. Certain herbs are found to be very effective in reducing body weight. Common herbs used in herbal slimming pills include dandelion root, butternut, focus, and boldo. These herbs are renowned for a wide range of health benefits like enhancing metabolism. Fat accumulation is a common problem reported for obesity troubles. Best Slimming Pills functions by improving fat metabolism. Doing regular exercise is another safe way recommended to decrease body weight. Do you wish to get the best result from exercising? If yes, feel free to do regular exercises for at least 30 minutes per day. Regular exercises in conjunction with proper medication can provide the best result within a short time interval. Today you can see a good number of healthcare centers in cities. Those people who do not wish to go to gym can go out for a walk. At times, apple cider vinegar is found to be very beneficial to reduce body weight. Today, it is a common ingredient added for the preparation of slimming pills. Apart from apple cider vinegar, you can also find a good number of ingredients like chromium nicotinate and selenium in slimming pills. Is there any side effect by using slimming pills? You can hear this question from the face of many people. Selecting herbal slimming pills to achieve weight loss goal can save you from many health risks. Lack of adverse action is one among the notable advantages of using herbal slimming pill. If you are in search of the safest way to reduce the accumulation of fat in body, feel free to choose the best herbal slimming pill. Queries regarding the usage of slimming products are quite common among new users. Do you need the assistance of health experts for selecting the best slimming product? If yes, never waste time to make use of online facilities. At present, you can see a good number of health practitioners online to assist the needy people. Let's check now the health benefits of using Vivid Slimming Pills. What are the benefits of using slimming pills? How does it function in our daily life? These questions are quite common among obese people. Generally, the functioning of pills varies according to the ingredients included for the preparation of product. Have you ever used Slimentrim? If yes, what is your experience? Today, this particular product is a safe cure recommended to relieve obesity troubles. It is a potent source of herbal ingredients capable of overcoming obesity risks. Almost all the ingredients included for the preparation of Slimentrim are tested prior to use. To get the best result, it is advised to use this herbal product twice per day. It is completely free from harsh chemicals and other preservatives. For the best health advantage, follow a healthy lifestyle devoid of habits like smoking and alcohol consumption. Buy Slimentrim capsules from worldwideweb.airbresearchfoundation.com.